Angle, AA, similarity postulate test. If two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, they are similar. Similarity in geometry means that two shapes are proportional. Proportional shapes are the same shape but are different sizes by a zoom factor or scale factor. We use several tests to determine if two triangles are similar, parentheses, proportional, end parentheses. One is the angle, AA, similarity postulate test. If two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, they are similar. Another is the side, SSS, similarity postulate test. If the three corresponding side lengths of two triangles are proportional, they are similar. Another is the side, SAS, similarity postulate/test. Given two triangles with corresponding proportional side lengths, the congruent included angle, they are similar. Note, there are congruence postulates tests, which have the same or similar names. Therefore, it is important to first establish if we are interested in congruence or similarity. Also note that for similar triangles, the angles are the same, even if one triangle is 3 times larger than the other. The angle, AA, similarity postulate test says two triangles are similar if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of the other triangle. Related words: zoom factor, scale factor.